In this video, we are going to cover how to select all the records in a specific view and how to update all of them in one shot. For example, at this point, I selected all the leads. I will click on Select All, and then on top, I will click on Select All Leads. The reason is that right now, my view contains 14 records, while when I clicked on All, it gave me only 10. Whenever I will click on Select All Leads in this view, I will get all of them, even the ones that appear on the following pages. Second, I will need to click on Mass Update, and then I will need to select the update that I want to check. For example, all those leads requested to be off my mailing list. Then I will click Email Opt-out as selected, and then I will update. Okay. So at this point, you can see that the email opt-out is selected because I just did it using the mass update for all the leads in this view. You can use the same technique by creating your own custom view. And every company that contains A will appear in this specific view. Okay? And then you can click on Select All and then select all leads in this view. Have fun, play with it. I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.